What's up, YouTube? Well, I hope everything is groovy in the YTPC, because I got challenged. I'm going to relight my pipe. Dent Legend, amber bit, stock, and my lighter. Smoking some Missouri Meerschaum Country Gentleman. I'll have to get back to you on it. This is my first smoke of it. Drinking Dr. Pepper with sugar instead of corn syrup. Thought I'd give it a try. Gotta have a Dr. Pepper at 10, 2, and 4. I'm an RC drinker, but I had to try it. Anyway. I was challenged by my brother from down under to do a dump, a pocket dump, an EDC. So here we go. First off, I carried my lighter, of course. Yeah, you used to have a lighter leash on it. Do not weld with a lighter leash on, hanging out of your hanging off your belt loop or whatever. Just letting you know. And of course, my phone. Everybody's got to have their phone nowadays. Whoever invented them, brilliant, and I'd like to kick their ass sometimes. Of course, I've got my wallet. My son got it for me for my birthday. It's the wallet that Samuel L. Jackson carried in Pulp Fiction. So, let's see, what else do I got? A rarity. A little bit of cash. Not much. My pipe that I like to carry every day in my pocket just because it fits so well. Yeah, let me do it this way. Chop down a little Eaton. Smokes great. If you're smoking a hot tobacco, though. Anyway, there's that. See my lighter? Oh, yeah. My tamper. An old dead battery. Let's see. What else do I carry? Oh, yeah. Pipes and cigars, magazine, in case I got to go poop. I got to take my mind off of it and calm down, because you know I'm a keyed up individual, and if I don't relax, I can't go poop. Let's see. Oh, and when I do leave the house, my tobacco pouch. I'll throw a little bit of tobacco in there, a few bowls, depending on where I'm going and how far I'm going to be away. It's a cheap little one. Fits in your pocket good. Oh yeah. This is on my belt at all times. Case. Lock blade. Put that back in its sheath. Let's see. In case I get stinky, a little bitty thing of deodorant. This one's for Rick Black. That's for gout. Keep you from getting gout. My Bluetooth for when I'm driving. That leaves the house with me. My little pocket knife. Cheap little knockoff for digging. Because if I lose this, it's $1. Big deal. I don't take my other tampers and pipe tools out. I got a little bit of change. I got about $1.20 and change right there that I'll dump on my. Oh yeah, I carry this for 2 people. I'm not gonna tell you who the other one is, but gas relief. You know. Anything else in my front pockets? No. Oh yeah, carry that too. It's an old Craftsman knife. Craftsman. They did old timers way back in the day. Sears and Roebuck. But it's an old hunting knife. You can see all the rust on it. I need to get it cleaned up. It's been sitting for quite a while. I've never cleaned a deer or anything with this. It's just, I carry it. That's my other one. Now that has cleaned a bunch of deer. So is that lock blade I carry. This is a buck. It's you're running the mill. Every hunter should have one. Buck hunting knife. It's just my opinion. I carry that every day too. Let's see. Anything else back there? No. I think that. Oh, wait a minute. That's something. I carry bubbles. I carry bubbles for entertainment. Mine, not the kids. I love bubbles. Oh, and when they pop and they get on your lips, oh, that's awesome. I love it. Bubbles. Hours of fun with that. Let's see. Anything down there? No. Oh yeah. I carry an extra lighter. Or 2. Or 3. Or 4. Or 5. Or 6. You never know when if your lighter's going to go out. You never know. You do not want to be caught without your lighter. There's another one. Don't want to be caught without a lighter. So I carry a lot of lighters. This is my charger for my car. It usually stays in the car, but if I'm jumping from car to work vehicle or whatever, I keep it in my pocket. Anything else in that? Nope. Let's see. It's not bad. It's kind of dry out of the pouch. It's a pouch. You want? Oh, I carry it back up to my little Eaton too. I carry Country Gent. You know, I love that Country Gentleman. Oh yeah, I carry a Bent Legend. Oh crap! Yeah, I forgot all about that one. I carry that. My natural Washington. Oh yeah, and I carry another Bent Legend. I think that's. Oh wait a minute. There's my straight Washington or Legend. Can't even remember now. My only straight log pipe. And my brother. Let's see. I'm wearing flip flops today. Let's see, what underwear do I have on? Camouflage underwear. Yeah, that's it. Brother, there you go. That's my EDC. Thanks for challenging me, brother. I am going to challenge. Let's see, who would be a good one? You know I got to do it. Tyler, SwampPiper84. I'm going to challenge too. How about give me some of that NakedKartwheel King? Be good or be good at it. Love, peace, and hair grease, y'all.